Ayuda, isang DB fans ang sumigaw na ang sabi, Donnie, alagaan mo si Bella? Oo naman, I'm gonna take care of her, don't worry. For the rest of my life, life don't bless you with a good woman twice. And then I can barely wait for a future together in which, with every day, we love more, laugh more, and together, grow more. Na kinakilig ng lahat ng naroroon ay bongga, the search is over. His place has always been with her. Ang haba ng hair mo, Belinda.